Harley Davidson stock shock absorbers, and I know it's just the right place for them. No, but seriously though guys, that Harley Davidson Dyna I've got, it's probably the least comfortable ride I ever experienced. Actually no, let me rephrase it. The least comfortable one was the another Harley I owned, and it was named like it's supposed to handle, and that was a Harley Sportster. There was a cold place in hell for somebody at Harley Davidson somewhere at some point in time decided that it's a great idea to fit those into the stock vehicle. Not only that, there was one guy that came up with that idea, and there was another guy or a bunch of guys that backed him up with it. What the hell? I know what we should do. Let's fit a shock absorbers made of lipstick to a motorcycle that weighs over 320 kilograms. What do you think, John? Well, Harry, I think it's a great idea. Let's do it. And thanks to them two guys, we ended up with that piece of shit. And what a piece of shit that is. I know you can fit all-ins, I know you can fit shock absorbers that are worth £1,500 to a bike, and you can race them, you can pull wheelies, but I'm not after that. I'm not going to race the Harley, I'm not going to pull wheelies. I know it's capable of doing so, but I'm not capable of doing so. I just want something that's going to be a little bit more comfortable on a daily ride. After all, it's just a Harley. I'm not going to race it, I'm not going to cut corners. It is what it is. It doesn't handle, it doesn't stop, it makes a lot of noise. Let's face it, they're Harleys. I want something a little bit more comfortable than that. I was looking for different options, and I'm looking for budget options, and I came across these guys, Progressive Suspension, and I thought I'd give them a go. These absorbers, they're not brand new. Well, they are brand new, but they are second hand. There's a guy somewhere somehow bought these suspension. They wanted to fit them to the bike, but they sold the bike. In the meantime, suspensions were lying on the shelf, so they are virtually brand new, never used. But they're not straight from a factory, and they actually are brand new. So I snapped them for half the price. I believe brand new cost you just over £300. I bought them for 150 plus shipping. So I said, you know what? Let's give it a go. I got not much to lose. See what happens. Replacing them couldn't be any easier. Secure the bike and undo the bolts. Job done. And once the old ones are both removed from each side, I can fit the new ones in. In reverse process, I remove the old ones. It's simple as that. So the verdict, is there a difference? Is it worth it? Not really, don't waste your time. No guys, but in all seriousness, is it worth it? On the highest setting, when you crank it all the way up, I think there is an improvement, slight improvement. It's not £300 worth of improvement, definitely not. I pay 150 for that, so I can live with that. They look better because they're black, let's face it. Other than that, I don't really see much of a difference, much of an improvement over the stock ride. Forget about riding with pillion and forget about riding with any kind of luggage. I keep it as it is, just because they're black. If I come across something better, well, you know about it. But until then guys, thank you very much for watching. Rock hard, have a beer, and I'll see you very soon.